Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm pleased to present another short Adobe Photoshop tutorial. Together we will explore the process of rotating an arrow around a specific axis and duplicating it twice. So let's do it. Well, the first thing that needs to be done is I have this arrow now as a separate layer, and I'm trying to place it in the right position as the first step. I think this is a good position, and now I have to work on the blending mode. So I'm going to click on the blending option from the bottom part, and from this part I will drag this part to the right and hold the Alt key and copy it again. Now I just to get the desired result. All right. Okay. Now what I have to do is to identify the approximate center of the circle, and I think that is almost suitable now. And it's the center of the circle. Well, now I select the arrow layer and hit Ctrl T and turn on this part from the top and bring its center to match the center of the circle, and I give it an angle. Now I want 3 of these, so it can be 120 degree, and I will confirm it. After the work is finished, now I press Alt Ctrl Shift T. So I hit twice to repeat the previous command. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and kindly show your support by liking the video, as it will help my content to be seen more. Thank you for joining me, and until the next tutorial, thank you.